Hey there, fellow drivers. Today, we're tackling a topic that might go unnoticed but can have a big impact on your driving experience: car alignment. Now, you might be cruising along thinking everything's fine and dandy, but if your car's alignment is off, it could lead to some serious issues down the road. But fear not, because we're here to shed some light on how to tell if your car alignment is off and what you can do about it. So, picture this. You're driving down the road, hands at 10 and 2, when suddenly you notice your car drifting to one side. No, you're not daydreaming. That could be a sign that your alignment is out of whack. When your car's wheels aren't properly aligned, it can cause uneven tire wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and even affect your handling and safety on the road. One of the easiest ways to check if your alignment is off is to take a peek at your tires. Are they wearing unevenly? Maybe one side is more worn down than the other, or you notice some unusual patterns like cupping or scalloping. If so, it's time to whip out your Sherlock Holmes magnifying glass because you might have a case of misaligned wheels on your hands. But wait, there's more. Another telltale sign that your alignment is off is if your steering wheel isn't sitting pretty at 12 o'clock when you're driving straight ahead. If you find yourself constantly adjusting your steering to keep your car on course, it's worth getting your alignment checked. After all, nobody wants to feel like they're wrestling an alligator just to stay in their lane. Now, let's talk about road trip vibes. You're cruising along, wind in your hair, tunes blasting, when suddenly you hit a bump and your car starts shimmying and shaking like it's doing the cha-cha. If your car feels like it's doing the hokey-pokey every time you hit a bump or uneven road surface, it could be a sign of poor alignment. So, before you break out into an impromptu dance party, it might be wise to swing by your local mechanic and get that alignment checked out. Oh, and here's a pro tip for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. Grab a piece of chalk and head to an empty parking lot. Draw a straight line on the ground and drive over it slowly. If your car's tires aren't tracking along the line, chances are your alignment is off. It's like drawing outside the lines in kindergarten, except this time, it's your car's tires misbehaving. Now, let's talk turkey. What can you do if you suspect your car's alignment is off? Well, the first step is to schedule a visit to your friendly neighborhood mechanic. They'll use their fancy alignment equipment to measure your wheel angles and make any necessary adjustments to get your car back on track. But hey, if you're feeling adventurous and want to take matters into your own hands, there are some DIY alignment kits available. Just remember, tinkering with your car's alignment isn't for the faint of heart, so proceed with caution and maybe watch a few tutorial videos before diving in headfirst. Alrighty, folks, that's a wrap on our guide to spotting signs of a wonky car alignment. Remember, a little TLC for your wheels goes a long way in keeping your ride smooth and your tires happy. So, keep an eye out for those sneaky signs, and don't be afraid to give your car some love when it needs it most. Now, here's a question for you. Have you ever experienced the dreaded drift of a misaligned car? Share your tales of tire woe in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive adventures, and share this video with your fellow road warriors. Until next time, happy driving.